So, this is Tommy Forsyth about to launch out a model rocket. So, we have this parachute rocket. Whoa, crap.
Okay.
If I didn't get away, he probably would have killed me with that thing, but...
Okay, I'm just gonna do it, okay?
Okay, he's gonna do it. Better get away a little bit. There we go. Okay, let's see where it lands. This one has a parachute on it.
Oh! Right there!
Oh, I see it! I see it! Oh crap! I have to... no! Oh crap, it's gonna land in the tree! Yes! Whoops!
Oh my god!
What happened to the rest? What happened to the rest? Oh well. There goes $50. Hey, let's go!
See, I bet it's in the middle of the field, so that's why I fall down.
Yeah, no, me too. I saw like two things. If it costs that much money, they should make it good quality, like so it doesn't break on the first try.
Yeah, no, this is like 30 like, but I got like 10 launches out of this, but that's...
Oh yeah, that's a lot.
Oh, here's your problem.
Ah, the rubber band snapped.
I see you take
Yeah, now it's not even worth finding.
Yeah, 30. Oh, I see it.
Oh. Where is it? Oh, it's right here. Oh, no, that's a piece. Yeah.
Yeah, it's right there.
Oh!
Mom!
We found the other part!
And the rocket! This is the parachute, and that's the rocket! It's broke!
Look at there's not a strong wind today.
God, I love that smell. Burnt rocket.
It's hot. Next to the engine. Ooh. Now it's just a piece of zigzag. No. Why don't you turn it upside down?
Ah, it's really hot.
Can I touch it?
See, it's all burned.
Oh, I felt it from like an inch away. Should I turn it off?